Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for Medicare online in Australia. So make sure you will be on your browser, you will be just visit on Google website and you will be just search for it, how to apply for medical care online in Australia. And this is the second website you will see, the servicesaustralia.gov.au. I will just tap on it and enrolling in to apply how to online apply for Medicare card. So here you will see, just tap on it simply how to enroll, and here you will see you can enroll online in Medicare as either an individual or a family through my government and track the progress. To enroll online, your family members need to live in Australia and it also have a current passport or IME card and have valid visa details from the Department of Home Affairs if you are not an Australian citizen. And if you want to enroll as a family, we need details and identity documents for any children under 15. So if I more or scroll down, so here is the complete information that you will just apply it. And if you are living in Australia, you will just simply just sign into my government. And if I just scroll down, so if you have your account, so you will just simply sign in. If you don't have to, you will just have to create your account easily. And I will just show you that basic information. Make sure your documents are in these format methods. You will see PDF, JPG, PNG, GIF or BMP format. And you will just not password are protected and no larger 5 MB for each document and no larger than 10 MB in total of for all the documents. So these are the all information. So make sure you will just have your account if you live in Australia. So you will be just create your account or sign up and you will be apply for this enrolling with this form. So that's it. In this way you will just have to apply for Medicare card online in Australia. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.